वतन की मिट्टी और आरजू में वो तासीर है दोस्तों, जो सर झुका दे वो कामयाब होते हैं। Respected guests, honorable teaching and non-teaching staff, our beloved children, and esteemed parents and guardians. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Today we gathered here to celebrate the Republic Day. This day, it means today, this day reminds us the 26th January 1950, when the Constitution came into force and our nation became sovereign and democratic. The sovereignty and democratic status of the nation depends upon justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. As I have told you earlier, we got some rights and also fundamental rights, and we got these things not by chance. We got this because we are the citizen of this India and of this nation. So we have to take care of the rights as well as the duties. The nation or constitution has given rights as well as the duties. Means जिम्मेदारी. These responsibilities you have to understand. So, I would like to address you and especially the young generation to be conscious towards your constitutional rights. These rights have to be protected. You have to protect it. You have to protect the nation. You have to protect the constitution.
Emphasizing
The education. Education is the first thing by which you can understand your rights and duties. So, play the cooperative role with the schools, government schools in the area, in your village, in your society, or private school, whichever are running in your region, in your village, in your area. Be proactive and pay your responsibility and cooperate with those all the educational institutions so that our society became educated, became literate, and after that also we will understand the constitutional rights and duties more and more. In addition to this, I would like to remember some social activists and intellectuals who are still in the custody. I also will remember the person among such activist intellectual, and he is Maulana Tawqir Raja. Maulana Tawqir Raja is still in the jail, and at this occasion I am remembering his one Urdu शेर, जिंदा है तो नजर आना जरूरी है, जिंदा हो तो नजर आना जरूरी है, उसूलों पर आए तो टकराना भी जरूरी है। तो इस मुद्दे को लेकर, इस चीज को लेकर आप अगर अपने उसूल पर हैं और आपको अगर नॉलेज है और आप अपने राइट्स एंड ड्यूटीज को समझ रहे हैं, तो आपकी उसूलों पर आए तो टकराना भी पड़ेगा और जिम्मेदारी निभाना भी पड़ेगा। Now I am going